is a consular officer shall be conducted with the respect due to him by reason of his officer position. Now he is much more relevant that she is acting Consul General of India, and whatever respected legal sort of interpretation, she should be treated differently. You can be arrested only grave crime, and all there is kind of order for the court. Now there is no grave crime. As I said, she is not terrorist, she is not involved in any other thing. There is no gravity, that seriousness that you should be arrested, and there is no court case pending against. So these are government immunity. According to Americans, certainly they have very clearly said our national laws should be confirmed. You can't violate it. But functional immunity is that whether she is going to sort of involved in this hiring of the lady, whether it is functional or not. But fact is, all the domestic assistants who accompany the diplomats, they are provided official passport. So the moment you give official passport, you are treating it a part of the official sort of strength of the mission. And unless you consider them essential, why would you give passport? So there are grey areas whether she is really committing. I personally tend to say that in this particular case, their action cannot be justified. She is not threat to anybody. There is no serious gravity to the kind of accusation against her, and there is no way she is avoiding any local law. She is posted there. She is acting head of the consulate there. She cannot be running away, and this should be handled in conformity to the position. Is acting Consul of India. Kind of respect she deserves, she was not shown. And I said, our embassy, our ambassador in Washington should have been involved in this whole issue in much more closely.
But you know,
let me add a footnote to that. Very important. You know, legal interpretations can be varied, can be different. One can argue whether that particular case of paying less than what was written down